Howdy folks, welcome to a new episode of Feet&Co, where I teach everything and anything about foot and lower limb health in a fun and entertaining way. Now in this video, I dedicate this video to all my podiatrists, all the podiatrists and the foot doctors out there in the world who have to hear certain things from our clients and patients that can make our toe hairs stand up and tingle. Reason being, because we definitely do not condone or advise you to doing any of these things I'm going to list next. So I give you with full and fun explanation of the things that a podiatrist always hears, with which can make them angry, frustrated, and of course cry. Welcome to the top 5, do this, not that. So number 1, don't hack at it. Suffering from a painful ingrown toenail or a painful cortical callus, don't try to hack at it yourself. You only make things worse. And if you do get relief, good for you. You most likely do not hack at it enough and the pain will return and can be a lot more painful. Oh, also, bonus information. Don't ever tell your podiatrist you try to hack it. Actually use the word hack. Number 2, don't go barefoot in public places. Swimming pools, gym showers, water parks, and public beach facilities like the toilets are covered with fungus, bacteria, and viruses, which can lead to athlete's foot and plantar warts, which can be very stubborn to treat. I'd rather you do this. Wear footwear, put on thongs or flip-flops when you're walking, or invest in some basic El Cheapo reef or fishing shoes to provide a barrier between your feet and the virus fungus-infested floor. Number 3, don't use a nail salon gear. Look, you are a special person, and when you go to your nail salon to relax, unwind and get pampered, beware of the hygiene and catching any bugs. Picture the situation. You sit down, you tell the nail technician that you want a certain color, and they go ahead and they start work on your nail. The thing is, when they use their tools, equipment, you have to make sure that they're actually sterile. I would hope that most of them sterilize their equipment. But the most alarming thing is nail polish. Because even though you're a very special person, they're not going to actually use a new bottle every time on a client, because obviously it's cost effective. So you don't want that brush, the bristles of that brush, touching another person's anti-fungally caramello koala cornflake nail and then dipping it back into the bottle and then brushing that all over your toenail too. It is a disaster waiting to happen. So I would advise, do this. If you like going to nail salons and getting pampered and getting your feet all pedicured, manicured up, I highly advise buying your own clippers. Look at their gear, what they use theirs, and also bring your own nail polish. Don't use their one, bring your own, because at least you know you're the only and first person to actually physically use that brush. Number 4, don't open up a bandage so that your wound can breathe. Now I get it. You usually air out your shoes or your laundry so that it can basically dry out, right? That's great for that, but not for your open wounds. Where it is a small cut, a deep wound, or even a healing wound. Opening it up to the air means you're opening the wound like a door for crap like dust, bacteria to enter and make themselves at home inside the wound. I'd rather you do this. Always have antiseptic or antibacterial liquids or solutions or creams to apply, such as betadine. Apply it to your wound and cover it with a sterile bandage to maintain a clear environment to give your wound every chance to heal as fast as it can. Number 5, don't scrub your feet in the shower to remove callous skin. Yes, you know you do it. When you remember, you see that the hard skin in your feet has developed again and again. So you're gonna get that sandpaper paddle or the pumice stone, and with your feet wet, with the shower head going, you go ahead and scrub it. You would think that'd be easy to remove while your skin's wet, but you'd be wrong. Because I'd rather you do this. Spend 2 minutes per day on every second day. Sit outside your backyard or balcony or whatever, and go ahead and scrub your feet while the skin is dry or non-wet. And the reason why is the roughness of the surface of the pumice or sandpaper will actually contact that hard skin better, giving you a better scrub. And trust me, 2 minutes a day is not much. 1 minute each foot to scrub is not much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, those are the first 5 of many, do this, not that episodes. So recapping, number 1, please do not hack at whatever hard skin or ingrown toenail that's giving you pain. Don't hack at it. Number 2, don't go barefoot in public places because you never know what you're going to catch there. Number 3, don't use a nail salon gear. Bring your own gear, so know it's yours, and you're the only one who uses it, so you won't run the risk of getting any infections, any fungal infections. Number 4, don't open up the bandage so that your wound can breathe or dry out. When you open up your wound to the open air, you're exposing it to the dirty elements in the air too, and it'll run the risk of actually aggravating your infection. The last one, number 5, is don't scrub your feet to remove hard skin, dead skin, while in the shower where your skin's wet, because there is no frictional purchase achieved. Do it, if you want to help maintain your hard skin or calluses on your heels or the ball of your foot, scrub them outside in the open air and scrub it while the skin's dry, because then you have purchase and it will give good adequate friction so you can remove the skin. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, folks, did you find that useful? Because you don't want to peeve or make your podiatrist or future podiatrist cry. So if you enjoyed this video, if you found it lighthearted and funny, podiatrist or not, please give the subscribe button a bash and tap the little bell notification to stay in the know when I post new content weekly. I'll catch you on the next video. To all podiatrists, please walk smarter, not harder, and don't anger your podiatrist. Bye for now.